month's end. I'm going nuts. Really tired. I'm trying to meet my friend Faisal from Singapore, and he's stranded, I'm stranded. The trains have gone a bit crazy. I'm trying to balance this camera on a cup of tea. Well, anyway, I just wanted to get this on film before my battery runs out. I got this. So I hope you can hear me. Dear Jim, thank you for teaching our class English. Sometimes we're strict, but that led us to know English better. It was a great opportunity to get to talk with a foreigner. I haven't had a chance to talk in English ever since I came to Japan. I really enjoyed having a conversation with you. Were you okay last Friday? Was it the first time you experienced the earthquakes? For me, it was the first time after an interval of 5 years. The best of luck with